Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Let's talk about pregnancy. This is a new lecture which is specially for LHVs and midwifery students. Okay, let's take a start. And pregnancy, when an egg goes down the fallopian tube after ovulations, a sperm makes its way from the vagina through the uterus to an egg within 24 hours, so conception is likely to occur. So, for pregnancy, ovulation is very important because the egg can directly goes to the fallopian tube, and for example, if the sperm makes its way from the vagina through the uterus, so to the egg within 24 hours, conception is likely occurs. Look at see here, egg is surrounded by the sperm. You can see here in this diagram. Egg is surrounded by the sperm. Sperm penetrate the egg and conception occurs. It is called a zygote until it reaches to the uterus and almost 3 to 5 days. I mean that when the egg is surrounded by the sperm, so the sperms can directly penetrate the egg and conception occurs, and this is called zygote formations. So until it reaches to the uterus and 3 to 4 days. Mean it will take almost 3 to 4 days. And the first trimester 0 to 12 weeks, you can see here on the screen the sign and symptoms of pregnancy which are reported for 40 weeks. So, a missing menstrual period, morning sickness and nausea, frequent urination, craving, powerful desire, breast enlargement, fatigue and dizziness. A simple urine test from the doctor will show whether or not a woman is pregnant. These are the signs and symptoms which are reported during pregnancy. Almost in 40 weeks, the patients are the pregnant women. She can missing the menstrual periods or morning sickness and nausea may be occur, and frequent urinations, craving, powerful desire, breast enlargement, fatigue and dizziness. So, a simple urine test from the doctor will show whether or not a woman is pregnant. Now, you can see here in this diagram, the embryo may float freely in the uterus for about 48 hours before implanting. Upon implantations, complex connection between the mother and embryo develops to form the placenta. So, in this stage, the embryo can easily float freely in the uterus for 48 hours before implantations. Upon implantation, there will be a complex connection between the mother and the embryo developed to form placenta. Now, let us see here. Call the doctor if there is, for example, if there is any of the following occur. For example, in case of vaginal bleeding, we should call the doctor. In case of whenever there is sharp abdominal pain or cramping, so then you should call the doctor. When there is loss of fluid from the vagina, and when there is severe or prolonged nausea and vomiting, frequent dizzy spells, painful urination and high fever over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, vaginal discharge that is irritating. So, actually all these are the conditions. For example, in case of any emergency, when the pregnant woman, she is facing such kinds of problem, whenever there is vaginal bleedings or there is a sharp abdominal pain or cramping, or there is loss of fluid from the vagina, or when there is severe or prolonged nausea or vomitings, or frequently dizzy spells, when there is painful urination and high fever over 100 degrees Fahrenheit, so vaginal discharge that is irritating. Other considerations, there is no medications including OTC over the counter drugs unless approved by your doctors